Wait, before you proceed to the download page, I have a very special offer for you. Upgrade your Periscope training from beginner to expert level for just a small fee. Here's a breakdown of what you'll learn. What is the elevator pitch and how to apply it? How to end your scope properly. How to grow your followers on social media accounts. How to grow your business with cross-promotion. How to use IFTTT to automate broadcasts. How to build your mailing list during each broadcast. How to generate income from Periscope. How to use Q&A sessions to build authority, and much, much more. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. So scroll down this page below to get this advanced training plus more helpful tips and information, and give your marketing a boost starting today.